Well, hey guys, we're back with the 2018 GMC Canyon. Just doing some maintenance, did a oil change, swap tires and stuff like that. But we're going to do air filter. The manual says every 30,000 miles. I go easily, 50, 60 sometimes. I'm mostly on the highway, so depending on your conditions of the areas that you're driving in, obviously if it's dusty, then you're going to need to do it more frequently. But I typically just use a Wix WA10256. They've always kind of worked for me, nothing too fancy. You're going to need a 5/16 ratchet and a number 3 Phillips to get the air box off. So the air filter is located here on this side, the passenger side. The first thing we're going to do is loosen up this clamp here and pull this hose off. And then we have 4 screws. There's one here, and if you come to this side, there's one right there, then one here, and then this side just has like a hinge type thing that this is going to fold up, and we'll be able to get the air filter off. All right, we're going to loosen this up as much as you can. And this just kind of peels back. Just use your thumbs here till it goes. I typically stick a rag in here just so nothing stupid falls into it. All right, then we'll get those screws that I mentioned earlier loosed. You don't need to pull them out. You'll be able to tell when they're unthreaded and loose. See, this one's loose now, and it'll stay right on the box. Okay, now that we got the 4 screws loose, we pull up the front, then slide it out a little bit, then that reveals the air filter. We just put that right to the side, then the filter comes right up. So you can see it's not ridiculously dirty. That's probably 60,000 miles. So while we're in here, let me show you here. While we're here, we're going to vacuum out whatever debris we have. I recommend a vacuum versus just an air compressor. An air compressor is just going to blow everything around. The vacuum will just kind of pull it out. So we got it nice and clean. We don't have to do anything fancy with the air filter. It's only going to go on in one direction. So you see that way there is too long. So if we come this direction, it's nice and snug. So that's all we need to do to install the air filter, and we'll go ahead and put our box back on. So here's those tabs that got to go in first into the box on the bottom. So if you tilt it up a little bit, you'll find where it goes, then that slides in. And then we just need to tighten up our 4 screws. All right, let's make sure we get the rag out. Slide the boot back on. I'll show you this here real quick. There's a little nub on the boot here that matches the nub on the box where it's got to go. You'll know that you're in all the way once all that matches up. All right, now we gotta tighten this up. All right, that's it for the air filter. Nice and easy. So yeah, if you have any questions, just comment below. Thank you.